Good morning students. Now we'll learn how to connect torch bulbs in parallel connection. For this I have taken bulb and holder, then battery with battery holder, screwdriver. So first learn the wiring diagram or circuit diagram. This one circuit diagram, this one wiring diagram. Now see, I have taken two bulbs. B1, B2 are two bulbs. B1, B2 are two bulbs. They are connected in with holder. So this is the holder and wire. So AB is the terminal for the B1 and CD terminal of the B2. Now A will be connected with the C and B will be connected with the D. That I'll show you. And 9 volt power supply. This is 9 volt power supply. This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. Red line is the positive and black is the negative. So already I connected the 9 volt battery with battery clamp. So here now come to the wiring diagram. See, this is the holder, the same holder, and physically it looks like this. So this is the metal string, this is the filament, this is a glass tube. This A contact point is connected with the one end of the holder. B is connected with another holder, and similarly in B2 bulb, the contact point C is connected with the one contact point and D connected to the other contact point, and both A and C are connected and they have connected with the battery, that is 9 volt. So let us connect and see how it works. So you know, again I am telling, this is a bulb. It has two contact point. This total is body contact point and this one the bottom contact point. So in the holders, in two contact points, you should connect with these two contact points. So this you have to see. See, this is holder here. This is the glass tube. Glass tube is filled with argon gas. The filament is made of tungsten. Okay, this is a metal cap. This screw type bulb. Okay, so you have to, by moving this one, by tightening, you can connect this one. So already I have connected, and by loosening the screw and putting the wire, it will look like this. It will look like this. See, already I have connected for saving time. So I have shown you this one. Now student, so this one B1 two terminals, B2 two terminals. As I said, it has no polarity, so no problem. So you can connect any end. Now I am connecting A and C. So I am connecting A and C. See, I connected. Now I will connect the other end, that is B and D. I will connect like this, B and D. I connected. See, it has two ends. It has gone like this. Okay, and another end. So A connected to C and B connected to D. Now, so we'll change the battery. Let us see what problem. See, technical maybe fault. Let us check this in this way. This bulb is okay. Now test with this one. So this one also glowing. So this is also okay. Again, let us see. Now it is glowing. Means circuit is okay. Must be some loose connection somewhere. Okay, so let us use 9 volt again. Check whether it is working or not. It is glowing. Thank you.